Hey, welcome to the quick demo of Crushrr, which is a fully automated Amazon affiliate site enabling you to make a passive cash from Amazon being an affiliate with them. So once you log inside this software, you'll be seeing an area like this. This is the dashboard area. So first thing you need to do is go to the settings. Inside the settings, what we need to do is add the plugin to our blog or website. So all you need to do is click on this add new, and you need to add your blog name, blog URL, a blog username, and blog password like I have done here for myself. Okay, and then what you need to do is simply click on this plugin. It will get downloaded, and then simply upload this plugin inside your blog or website just by clicking on plugins and add new. As simple as that. Once you do that, it's going to show it to you inside your blog or website. That's it. It's a one-time setup, because this is going to help us to link our blog or website to this particular software. This is just a one-time application. Then once it is done, all you need to do is go to campaigns area. Now let's say we want to start a fresh campaign, starting from the scratch. Okay, so we need to give it a campaign title. Let's say we want to do a campaign for kitchen knives. Okay, so give it a name, kitchen knife set. Okay, it says then unique code, and it says paste your code here. Okay, so for this particular area, what we'll do, we'll go to the Amazon.com associate site of yours. It can be from different country like UK, US, India, doesn't matter. Depending on your country, you'll be having your own Amazon associate site. In the detailed training section, I'm going to show it to you that how we can open an Amazon associate site for free of cost within a few minutes. So if you have already one, it's great. If you don't have, just follow the videos, it will be good to go. So inside your Amazon associate site, what we're going to do, we're going to pick up our own Amazon affiliate link, right? So we can get credited for the money we're making. So let's say we are going to put a keyword, or we can also do an ASIN code. So let's say we want to pick up a kitchen knife product. So all you need to do is click on knife and click on this go. So once you do that, you can see the different kitchen knives which people are selling in Amazon, and we can be an associate with the product and get a commission from Amazon just for doing that, just for recommending this product and somebody buying this from our link. We're not even selling the product in Amazon, but just because someone is going to buy from our link, we're going to get credited by Amazon. So once you have done that, you can pick up any of this. So let's say I want to pick up this one, so I'll just click on get link. Okay, so once I do that, Amazon is going to give me different options like text and image, text only, image only, and add to widget. So we'll be selecting image only all the time, and then we are going to do Control A, Control C, depending on which you're using, Mac or Windows. Just copy this code, then simply come to our software, just put the unique code as, let's say you're going to put knife 1 and paste the code. If you want to use multiple images, like multiple products you want to promote in a single post of yours, then you can add on the plus sign. Let's say we want to do it, give it a name knife 2, and we want to select another product. So all we need to do is just go back and again search for knife, and this time you can select a different knife. Let's say we want to select this one, so again we click on get link, and we'll do the same thing. We'll click on image only, and then we are going to simply copying this code, that's it, and paste it, and then we're going to click on next. Simple. And then it's going to ask us to search for the content. Now remember, you don't have to write any content for this particular software. You're going to simply search and scrap the ready-made content from the website. You're going to use it for yourself. This is how you can search either all web, or you can search on WordPress, Weebly, Tumblr, or Medium. Let's say we want to search on WordPress. Now since we're going to promote a knife, let's say we want to search for content which is related to the knife, because it should be congruent, right? So for this example, let's quickly select this particular blog or ready-made article, and then we should be spinning this, because remember we need to use unique content for our own post. So it's going to spin the entire content for us, okay, and it's going to give us a fresh content to us all the time, okay. So it's automatically done. If you want to change anything, you can do it now or you can do it later, no problem. Then simply click on next, then give it a post title, okay. Let's say we want to give it a title like best knife set for your home kitchen. All right, then we have also added an SEO tag, so it's our articles or contents are automatically SEO enabled. So all you need to do is click on the generate SEO tags, enter the keyword knife. It's going to automatically find the related SEO for this. Simply click on use, then your content is ready. Click on this pencil sign. All you need to do here is insert this code which you already have got. So insert the code. The first code I want to insert here, and you can do either left or right. This is done. You can insert in the middle also, but for this example I just insert one code in the top and the second code at the end, okay. If you want to insert one more code, you can do multiple, no problem, okay. And you're going to save. Once you have saved it, just come down over here and click on next, okay. Select this and do save and publish, so that the content is now automatically published to your own blog or website. You can click on this arrow sign and it's going to show it to you in my blog. You can see this is a nice looking headline and this particular image has come. If you click, this is my own Amazon associate link. Somebody buys from here, it's going to give credit to me. The image must have also come over here and then at the end also, right? So you can either put it on the left hand side or right hand side, okay. So you can see this is your own content. Within a few minutes your own content has come over here with your unique Amazon associate link with your unique content, and you haven't done any kind of writing for this, right? So how cool is that? Now if you want to do if you want to use social media, we have also enabled all social media buttons for you. You can share this in Facebook, in your own Facebook timeline. Don't try to post too much stuff in different Facebook groups, because Facebook doesn't like that. So be careful about that. You can also post in Twitter, you can do Pinterest at your own will, no problem. You can also post it in LinkedIn. So we have enabled all the major social media for this. So that's it from this quick demo perspective. Of course, we have a detailed training program to step by step handhold you and take you through the entire process inside Crushrr. So use these applications, make money and have fun with Crushrr.